Okay, reading group 2, it is our last week together. I have some special instructions for you, so you've got a little bit extra added onto this video. I have created this set of videos for your group and for another group. But the first group that I made it for, all they know are the OA words. So you're going to hear me a lot in the game as we play the game. I'm really only showing them this part of the word list, and they've got to choose words from this word list to play the game with. But you get to choose from the entire list because you've learned all of these words. So I think the easiest thing for you to do before you get started in watching the rest of these videos is I want you to get a sheet of notebook paper and I want you to write down 8 of these words. Here's how I want you to do it. I want you to choose 2 from the OA word list and just write those 2 words down. I want you to choose 2 from the EE word list, choose 2 words from the AI word list, and then choose 2 words from the EA word list. So when you're done, you'll have 8 words written down, and those are the 8 words that you are going to be building as we play the game. And so you can watch the rest of the videos that I've made, and every time I tell them and I show them this word list, just know that you have already picked your 8 words that you're trying to build. And so whenever we land on a bread letter, right? Here's the bread. You're going to fill in one of the bread letters on your 8 words from the 8 words that you chose. Okay, so if you chose the word keel as one of your EE words, then you can put a K here or an L here when you land on the bread. Okay, so you're slowly building your peanut butter and jelly words, your 8 peanut butter and jelly words. So every time you land on a peanut butter, this is the peanut butter. Now in the game, it's only O that I've put on here because they only know O and A. So the jelly I have marked as A, and the peanut butter I have marked as O in the rest of the video. But know that you can use any of these peanut butters and any of those peanut butters and use any of the jellies that go with them. Your job is to build the 8 words that you're picking ahead of time. Okay, I hope that this made some sense to you. I'm going to go ahead and attach this part of your instructions to the rest of the video. I'm going to post a picture of this entire word list. And remember, you need to choose 8 words that you're going to try to build and beat me. Okay, so your job is to try to beat me when we play the game, building your 8 words. Okay, have fun. All together, this is what we call a peanut butter and jelly word. It has the consonant letters on the outside and the vowels are together on the inside. It is a consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant word. This is a standard word form that we learn in the 1st grade. Okay, so we're learning these peanut butter and jelly words where the 2 vowels are together. One does the talking and one is silent on the inside of the word. Now we're ready to play our game. Okay, so we have a word list here that I'm going to take a picture of and post, but I'm going to keep it on the screen so you can see it. We're going to play the peanut butter and jelly group game. What we're going to do is we're going to take a spin on the spinner, and if it lands on the star, you're going to try to build these words, okay? And when it lands on the star, this is like a free space. You get to choose any letter that you want to. The goal is going to see who can build 8 words first. Team A, which is going to be me, or Team B, which is going to be you. Okay, so this is Miss Finley. And this is going to be you, Team B. To make your page, because you obviously can't write on mine, I want you to get a sheet of notebook paper. Pause the video if you need to. I'm going to show you how to set your notebook paper up so that you can play with me, okay? Okay, so we've got a sheet of notebook paper, and here's how we're going to fold it and set it up. you're going to put the holes on this side, and you're going to take this across, and you're going to touch the red line and line that up and crease it. Then you're going to fold to this red line again, fold over there to that red line and crease it. Okay, when you open it up, you're going to see the 4 sections. Okay, all right, we're going to skip this first line, and we're going to number 1, skip a line, 2, 3, 4, and keep going until you get to 8. Okay, it might be helpful for them if you traced above each number. Just go above the number. And go all the way across the paper. We're setting up your game board so that you can play with me. Now, if mom or aunt or whoever is joining us on this game wants to play too, great. Okay? All right, so at the top, we're going to draw a piece of bread in this section, trace that fold, draw a piece of peanut butter, put the nuts so that you know that this is peanut butter, trace that fold, draw your jelly, don't put anything in it so we remember that it's jelly, trace that fold, and then draw a piece of bread. Okay, so now we've got our peanut butter jelly at the top. Remember that this is always letter O and this is always letter A. Okay, all right. When you spin, if you get a star, you can put a letter anywhere you want to. I'm going to have to pause the video here because it's just easier for me to upload videos that are not longer than 15 minutes. So I'm going to put part 2's video on here where we're going to actually play the game together. Okay? So make sure you watch part 2 so we can play the game.